this is Joe Shafiq Costa Pereira representing Fit for Life. We're having our second annual event, which is something that we all look forward to, our members look forward to. And this year we have people attending this event from Maharashtra, Karnataka, especially from Belgaum. We have a lot of clubs. So the response each year has been overwhelming. But this would have not been possible without some names, the sports minister, Mr. Gowde, Mr. Digambar Kamath, president of our swimming association, without our well-wishers and our sponsors, which we have put it up. And most importantly, the parents who've been really supportive. They come in large numbers to not only these events, but before these events, how they come and support, they push the kids to, get into this habit of getting into a physical activity, try and get them away from their gadgets, which is one of the main things today. So with this event, mainly we are looking at achieving three main goals. Our main goal is about creating awareness about the benefits of swimming, no matter what age group. So in our programs, we have right from infants to toddlers to senior citizens and with kids with special needs as well. Another thing which we do not really pay attention to in Goa and in India is the prevention of drowning. So we don't really talk much about it. However, abroad and everywhere else, that is one of the largest or a concern in terms of the report that the WHO came out as well for preventable deaths among children. It is one of the top reasons. And the third aspect for us is to create Goa as a hub for swimming, because we are surrounded by water, we have great potential here, we have great talent. However, consistent focus with private coaches, with government coaches, and with the backing of the association and the Sports Authority of Goa, I think we can achieve a lot.
We basically have programs which is from others, which is for senior citizens and which is for kids as well. Another thing which we lay a lot of importance and give a lot of focus to is nutrition, which is mostly forgotten. In any sport, be it swimming, be it basketball, or be it any other sport, nutrition becomes key, because without proper fuel for your body, there is no way you can exceed in any of the sports that you have. So primarily our focus remains overall health and overall well-being, where people are involved, engaged physically, at the same time also keeping in mind what's going in their stomach. Special importance to what they are eating in this age of Swiggy and Zomato, where food has become very convenient to order, but we are forgetting how important it is to have home cooked meals when it comes to our health. So that is what we operate with for life. It's like a complete package where you feel mobile, giving ample of exercise to your body and giving the right fuel is what is given for me.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.